Tired of dry, brittle hair that just won't bounce back? If you're struggling with damage from swimming, sun exposure, or coloring, BioSilk Silk Therapy offers a solution that delivers real results. This set is designed to bring back your hair's natural shine and softness, no matter how rough it feels right now. I've tried countless products for my long, dried-out hair, but nothing compares to BioSilk Silk Therapy. From the moment I started using it, I noticed my hair felt softer and looked shinier. The set includes the original Silk Therapy, Miracle Silk Therapy, shampoo, and conditioner, each working together to revitalize and protect your strands. Whether your hair is damaged from chlorine, sun, or chemical treatments, this collection helps restore moisture and smoothness instantly. One of the best parts? The set is travel-friendly and comes sealed tight, so you don't have to worry about leaks in your bag. That convenience means you can keep your hair care routine consistent, even on the go. Users across the United States have shared glowing reviews, praising how it brought life back to their hair after just a few uses. If that's you, someone ready to stop battling dry, damaged hair, this BioSilk Silk Therapy set is worth a look. It's more than just a quick fix, it's a reliable way to maintain soft, shiny hair every day. Try it when you're ready to see how smooth and vibrant your hair can become.